What we loved about you guys was we didn't have to explain to you what our business was. You actually knew more than we knew about our own business. It really helped that you had the experience you had in the web building and the companies you've worked with. It was like a slam dunk. We got on the call. I didn't enjoy hearing how bad my website was, but you nailed it immediately, and you said everything that people have been saying to me for the last 5 years. We don't see you on this website. It's too hard to get to your products. They don't even work well when we are trying to get to them. So it just became very clear very quickly that you knew what to do, how to help us. The biggest issue we were having was we had a website that was designed for a different business. Our website was giving us constant problems and we were not converting. It was hard to find the products. Everything about us was hidden. It was just a constant headache and got to the point where we actually felt bad about it. Didn't even like using it. It was not something I wanted to present to people when I met them. We literally didn't know how to fix it. We've had some negative experiences with web developers and people we've worked with in the past. So having a team that was responsive in a timely manner, that is kind of added a level of comfort up front that just made us feel okay. Like we were hearing back from you and we were getting input. And I think there were a lot of things that went really well. One, it's good when you feel confident that who you're working with knows what their business is. But we also, there are a lot of things that we have implemented this time, but even that we might do in the future, that it's really nice to have somebody who understands what you're doing and how the best way to go about that is, and will hold your hand while going through it, answer your questions, take your calls, not get too upset if it takes 45 minutes for us to open a PDF and figure out, because it comes down to kind of some of these basic interactions that make a relationship like this pleasant. So I think it was your expertise, but also it was a personality thing. You guys are nice, really nice to work with. I would say it was a great experience. You guys did absolutely everything you said you were going to do. We're going to be working together ongoing, which I think is the biggest kind of statement you can make. The project's done. And, if anything, we're like, what's next? And how do we, keep it going? We have already seen some improvements just in branding and getting some people to be on the website just from the rebuild. But we also want to sell more books and we want to be more out there in the world. So we want to scale a little bit. Everything we've now created the programs, we've created the books, we've created a few relationships. Now we have to scale that and we have to do the sales to support, our end of that creation. We expect you guys to help us with that as well. So we're not done here.